Welcome back, everyone. This is a 3/8 drive from a Stanley toolbox kit. As you can see, just the reference for this ratchet. This has had very little use. I've got it a couple of years. It sits in the shed in its case. And it's a 3-drawer case, yellow drawers, a black case with a handle on top. You might be familiar with that. And I was just using it, putting a blade on a lawnmower, and it's just locked. The 3/8 drive here is locked in position. So, like I say, I may have maybe about 10 minutes of use on this total. So I'm going to go inside here, have to remove these screws, go inside and see what's going on. So stand by. I have this little toolkit that I picked up some time ago. It's really coming in handy. It's a Torque Hex 8 to get that screw in here. So just to let you know, 8 hex Torques. Okay, here's what we have. We have the 2 bolts here, small bolts, and this is the plate that's in the front. This small little thing fell out, so I had it upside down. I'll try to figure out where that goes. And there you go. This removes, and that removes from that. It's kind of magnetic, I think so, or held by grease. And we have this locking mechanism with springs in it. The switch, I should say. There's one solid switch in the middle there. Spring, I should say. Goes right through the center there. So we just have to figure out what went wrong here. And so I'll be right back. I've never had one of these taken apart before, so this is all new to me. Okay, I've discovered that this clip that fell out fits in here, like that. It's hard to see with the camera in the way, but you can see. So the spring goes inside, it tensions on the back, and this is what must have fell out of place. So I'll try to assemble it and have another look at it in the video for you. So if I can hold this in place, flip it over, you put this back in place and hold it with your finger like that. I'm going to put it straight. The spring goes down inside here, and this is the tensioner. Try to keep it in shot here. So now I got to get this, the other gear, put in place. I'll see if I can do that off camera and come back and give you a look at what it looks like. Okay, here's what we have. Just slide this piece down into it, and you see the tensioner spring is inside here. Little tensioner metal, and I have it centered here so it moves back and forth, so you can ratchet the thing on or off. So the next thing now to do is to put the back plate on without losing anything, or the front plate I should say, and while holding this, reverse it and put these bolts in and retorque. It may take a while to line this up properly, but there we go. Keeping shot would be great. Sorry for that, folks. Okay, I can't really tighten that too much, but let's give it a go. Okay, and now you can see it's ratcheting properly, and we flip over to the other side, and it's going the other way. So there you have it. I was hoping I could repair it because I don't think I had a receipt for this, and it's a couple of years old. I don't think there's a lifetime warranty on this. I bought this at Canadian Tire, but it's not a Canadian Tire product, so there's no specified warranty through Canadian Tire. Anyway, that's it. That's your 3/8 drive Stanley Repair. Hope that was helpful to you. Have a good day.